Welcome to Santa Steve's Preventive Maintenance Program Checklist. There are 5 basic areas to have a world-class PM program. Number 1, make sure you have good process documentation. That includes things like PM manuals, policies and procedures, work instructions, technician training. Make sure they're aligned with your goals and your employee evaluations. Number 2, establish PM intervals. Set those intervals by hours, miles, or fuel gallons, or whatever the manufacturer requires you to have for warranty compliance. Also, you could have fixed standards when it comes to the repair time, so you know how long it takes. 3, make sure you have PM optimal flow and design. Use tools like spaghetti diagrams or Lean Six Sigma principles or 5S. The process should match the checklist. You should have good design. Prepare in advance repair histories, DVIR histories, and backlog lists so your mechanic is armed with information to do a good walk-around inspections. And always separate the work order from the PM inspection from the follow-on repairs. Number 4, you should have good PM metrics so you can keep score. Track things like overdue PMs or early PMs or on-time compliance. And then other related metrics like your availability, your downtime, your road calls, your door traffic, and comeback. And then lastly, have good PM execution. Advance schedule your PMs with your clients or your customers. Make sure you have a good leveling program. In other words, make sure if you have 25 due per week and you have 5 work days, you do 5 per day so you don't fall behind. Make sure you have a good parts kitting program so they're staged in advance. Tools are staged in advance. And you have a dedicated work bay for consistency and compliance. And then you have a good PM defect repair scheduling program. So once the PM inspection is done, you schedule those repairs that you find. And then you have a good PM quality control inspection program to continually improve the process. And you have a good customer communication program so that they're always aligned with the process. Have a merry Fleetmas. Hope that helps.